These are the main events for the 31st of July. From the birth of revolutionary alliances and the restoration of Ireland's sovereignty to the darkest chapters of the 20th century, this date has witnessed history-defining shifts in power and human tragedy. Major events. In 1777, the Second Continental Congress passed a resolution commissioning the Marquis de Lafayette as a major general. This appointment brought the influential French aristocrat into the American Revolutionary Forces, solidifying a vital international alliance. In 1843, Hawaii celebrated Sovereignty Restoration Day, known as La Hawaiian. This day commemorates the end of a 5-month British occupation and the official return of independence to the Hawaiian Kingdom. A dark turning point occurred in 1941, when Hermann Goering, acting on instructions from Adolf Hitler, authorized Reinhard Heydrich to prepare the final solution. This administrative mandate marked a horrific and pivotal escalation of the Holocaust. In 1975, the Miami Showband massacre struck Northern Ireland during the Troubles. 3 members of the popular band were killed in a botched paramilitary attack in County Down, an event that remains a somber memory of the conflict. Minor events. In the year 1009, the Catholic Church saw the accession of Pope Sergius IV. He was elected as the 142nd Pope following the death of John XVIII, continuing the long lineage of the papacy into the 11th century. In 1776, Francis Salvador became the first Jewish person to die in the American Revolutionary War. A trailblazer in life, he had previously been the first Jewish individual elected to public office in colonial America. From the halls of the Continental Congress to the shores of the Pacific, the 31st of July reflects the complex tapestry of our shared past. Thank you for joining us for this look at the events that shaped our world. We will see you next time.